For this. Okay, so we are doing 130, number 4. Oh, yes, please. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll send you a PDF file for this.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you. All right, so all right, number 4. Okay. So first of all, we have to understand the order of operation for this question, right? I see a couple of operation here. First, this bigger bracket, right? This big bracket here, and also bracket here. So which means that I have to calculate kind of this one and this one at the same time. But really, your brain cannot calculate the same thing at the same time, right? So you can prioritize. For me, I normally like to prioritize things that's easier. So I will actually prioritize that. Then once I get an answer here, I will actually connect it with division and I'll get my answer here. I start calculating the first one over here, right? And then I get my answer over here. So let's calculate. If I were to prioritize this operation over here, this is what? There's a little trick for that. Is basically if they have 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2 is basically 2 times 3 as their denominator. And then the top will be 3. Yeah, 3 plus 2 is 5. And then this number will multiply to 6 will be
that will be
5, right?
Yeah.
So basically this whole part here will be 5. A minus 5 is, got it. So this is 3. Perfect. So, well, you solved. So
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about this anymore,
Yeah.
right? So do one thing at a time, especially within the brackets. Yeah. Now, within this bracket, there's 3 tiers of bracket, right? Number 1 tier, number 2 tier, and number 3. Let me erase this actually. All right. So we have, I erased everything.
Thank you.
There we go. So let me erase this. Good. Okay. So I have tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. All right. I'm going to do tier 1 first. Again, this is going to be 7 over 12, right? Based on my trick here. Yeah. Because the LCM is the okay, very good. 7 over, you're fast, Ross. All right, so 7 over 2. So 8 minus 7 over 2. What's the trick here? 8 minus 7 over 2.
I guess
Always deal with it's called a mixed improper fraction. So 8, I can change it to 7, 2 over 2. Why? Because the next number, denominator is 2, right? And the 7 over 2 will be 3 of 1 over 2. I'm going to erase this. So
4, 1, and 2.
4, 1 over 2. Perfect. So this whole part, well, I'm already dealing with tier number 2, right? This part here is going to be 4, 1 over 2. And what about the 9 over here? Last one is I'm using, very good. 4, 1 over 2. So now you have 4, 1 over 2 divided by 3, okay? Okay, so what do I do now? This one, change it to 9 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 3, right?
Equals 3 and 2 and 1. So
You got it, buddy.
so become 1 and 1 and 2.
You got it, buddy. Okay. So this one over here, 1, 3, which is equal to 3 over 2, which is also equal to 1, 1 over 2. All right, perfect. So that's how we do it. So prioritize stuff based on the brackets, right? And then you can calculate within tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So most importantly for this type of question is that your game plan, right? You have to first understand BEDMAS, okay? Then you have to understand, okay, within this BEDMAS, what do I calculate first? Okay. And then after that, you calculate with it. Because every single operation you see over here, it's coming from a last level, level E, right? And you just break it down into pieces and you can do it one by one. Okay. 1 over 2 is the correct answer, sir. Anything else I can help you with? We're good? All right. Thank you. Okay, Barros.